Welcome to the next video of the Forestry Techzz channel. To start the fascinating journey of powerful chainsaws and tree stump cutters, imagine the scenes of heavy but extremely flexible saddles, rushing into the green forest. Like steel warriors, they cut through the tree trunk in the blink of an eye, with a rich creamy brilliance and an unrivaled speed, creating flying wood plastic rays. Not only stopping at lowering the ancient trees, the stump cutters continue to attack the ground, the deep roots, digging and turning even the hardest tree stumps into dust. This powerful scene can demonstrate the unparalleled power of modern technology, bringing the balance between the durability of the machine and the endurance of the operator in the exploration of nature. Today I will summarize the entire journey of the previous videos to summarize the tree cutting with large chainsaws and tree stump cutters, as well as some beautiful and thrilling humorous situations of the tree cutters. In all the previous videos we have seen when the workers holding chainsaws enter the forest. The atmosphere is low, tense to the point of relief. Each child finishing the sharp chains like knives, screeching, throwing up clean white wood dust like a small storm. Standing near the beloved tree trunks, they control the heavy machinery with precision to the millimeter, while the wind brings the leaves rolling around. The rumbling sound blends into the urgent rhythm. A moment of overcoming can be dangerous, but their concentration is absolute, because they understand the power of the machine mode in their hands. Besides, those root diggers are also like a kind of metal beast monster, each deep cutting down the roots of trees that are deeply rooted in the ground. We scratch deep into the soil, crawling to cut round, strongly digging and cutting across the thick tree roots. Rocks and soil hoisted up. The ancient roots are rewarded, twisted and crumbled like a soft block of soil. Bowing the machine up, pushing all the power into each rotation, creating a scene that is both dangerous and intoxicating. Full of power as if nothing can stop it. The technician is careful, waiting for the right moment to continue his work, always keeping every movement of the customer's machine within range. In addition, chainsaws or tree cutting machines are also introduced in previous videos, so that the audience can understand them better. Specifically, chainsaws are not just ordinary wood cutting tools but are machines designed to handle large diameter tree trunks and hardwoods. Outstanding models such as Skeel MS-881, Husqvarna 3120 XP, and Echo CS800P all have powerful engines with long-lasting intensity, helping them cut through large tree trunks in just a few. The large capacity engine allows these chainsaws to operate durably, cutting through the toughest types in the blink of an eye. Their versatility makes them the perfect choice for both water forests and large-scale logging sites. Excavators and stump cutters. Large stump cutters, such as the Vermeer SC852 or the Bandit SG75, are real warriors when it comes to root and stump removal. With their high-performance engines and sharp cutting edges, we can dig deep and large bamboo stumps, turning even water and stream areas into a clean surface, ready for new construction projects. Modern excavators not only work quickly but also ensure high safety thanks to the remote control system and effective anti-vibration features, helping to optimize productivity and minimize risks for the operator. That's all. I have evaluated and summarized all my knowledge about giant chainsaws and modern excavators. Please subscribe to the channel and like the video so I have the motivation to make the next videos. Thank you.